My name is Saeed Bari. I am running for the nomination for Liberal Party of Canada in the riding of Mississauga Erin Mills. First of all, I am deeply grateful to TV1 for giving me the opportunity to speak to you. I immigrated to Canada as a very young man. I worked very hard, put myself through the university, received the designations of Certified Management Accountant, CMA, and lately as a Chartered Professional Accountant, CMA. With my extensive background in the areas of business and finance, in the small, medium-sized and large corporations, I strongly believe that I can make a significant contribution as a part of the team in Ottawa in bringing about the policies and the legislations that would significantly help in the development and the growth of the small and medium-sized businesses to create more jobs in Canada, and also definitely in this riding to help the situation of underemployment and unemployment. After having established myself in this country, I strongly feel that I should give back to the community and the country that has helped me so much in fulfilling my dreams in this country. Thank you very much for supporting me. Also, I like to bring to your attention what community service I have performed in the past. I have worked with the United Way in its governance as a member of the governance committee. I have also served in the United Way as organizational capacity development consultant. I have served as the secretary and the chair of the finance, administration and the personnel committee of Peel Multicultural Council. I have also served as vice president of Canada-Pakistan Friendship Association, as well as a director of Heartland Credit View Neighborhood Center. Politically, I have served as Central Area Coordinator for Ontario Liberal Party for 10 ridings. In addition, I have been on the board of Mississauga Arundel Association for 10 years. I feel with all this background, I can make a significant contribution in serving our community as a member of parliament. I'm asking for your support and would welcome an opportunity to speak with you. My contact information is 416-567-9080. Please come out and vote for me as your first choice in the nomination meeting of Mississauga Erin Mills to be held on Saturday, September the 13th from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. in University of Toronto Mississauga campus. I repeat, Saturday, December the 13th in the University of Toronto Mississauga campus, also called UTM. Thank you very much for your support.